G'day everyone. Today, I'm showing you how to run security camera cable through your ceiling without it getting stuck or lost. Most DIYers hit the same problems. Cable gets stuck halfway, can't find where it came out, or the whole thing ends up damaged. But I've got the method professional installers actually use. What you'll need: yellow tape, nylon rope, gaffer tape, a small nail, and a mate to help. That's it. Step 1. Plan your route before drilling. Use that small nail to find your joists. Mark them with pencil. You want to run your cable between the joists, not across them. This saves heaps of time. Step 2. Secure the rope. Wrap your nylon rope around the camera cable with gaffer tape. Multiple layers. Leave 50 to 60 centimeters of rope past the cable so you can grab it from below. Test it. Give it a hard yank. If it slips, retape it now, not halfway through the job. Step 3. Feed the yellow tape. Through from your attic, feed the yellow tape into your entry hole. Keep it angled slightly down. Push steadily. Don't force it. If you hit resistance, try gently rocking it side to side. Your mate below should call out when they see it coming through. Step 4. Pull from below. When that rope appears, grab it and pull steadily. Smooth and consistent, no jerking. Your helper up top should be feeding slack as you pull. Step 5. Finish up, untape everything, check for kinks or damage, and leave 2 to 3 meters of slack cable in your attic for future adjustments. Pro tips: always run more cable than you think you need. Wrap something soft around hole edges to protect the cable. Label each cable at both ends if you're running multiple cameras. The bottom line: first go, 10 to 20 minutes. Once you've done it, 5 to 10 minutes tops. If it gets stuck, pull it out completely and try a different angle. If the rope slips, your tape job wasn't tight enough. Redo it properly. Right, that's it. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe. Catch you next time.